always fasten your seatbelt. What is up, everybody? Big content today. This, my folks, is the new ride. 2015 Toyota Tacoma V6 TRD off-road with a topper. We even got some good tires on here, better than stock tires. No rust. She drives real smooth. What can I say? I'm pretty excited. This past summer, after being out west, I talked a lot about Toyota Tacomas because I really wanted one, and the Subaru could not hang. This bad boy can hang. Access cab. Boom. Yeah, back seat back here. And then up in here, we got whole screen and everything. Unfortunately, it is an automatic. That's the only downside. The only thing I could not get in the truck I would have liked. But that's what's up. And then we just reiteration of the Subaru compared to the Toyota Tacoma. We got hella ground clearance. We got a locking differential. Isn't that right, Jake?
That's right.
We got 4x4. And we are unfortunately in Wisconsin, where there is nowhere to try those out. So it's gonna be a little bit until after graduation or a gnarly snowstorm that we actually get to try those out.
Oh my God.
So here's my buddy Jake. He's gonna tell us everything he knows about the engine in the Toyota Tacoma Gen 2.
Well, you can see here it's a double VTI V6. I believe it has 1,112 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, which is kind of off the charts for a mid-sized pickup truck like this. It's got a twin clutch. Cut it once. At the end of the day, what you really need to know about the Toyota Tacoma, especially this kind, is you're going to get about 500,000 miles out of it, which is, you're never going to need to buy another truck in your life, so no need to shop around.
That's not exhaust noise. As Jake says, that's engine noise. That's engine noise. You heard it from here, from Dark Horse Productions first. New 2015 Toyota Tacoma.
New 2015.
Howdy, folks. This is my 2015 Toyota Tacoma. I'm gonna be sleeping out of the back here hopefully soon. You know, we got a 6-foot bed. Nice and cozy back here. Hopefully get a heater in here at some point. Loft it up and put a platform. Nice sleeping pad, some drawers for storage, food, stove, etc. Room for the trusty skateboard, and so on.
Probably hasn't been opened in like 20 years. Okay, it's 2015 in 5 years. Here you go, muscles.
I don't think I'm gonna fit.
You got too broad of shoulders. No,
nope. Damn it. I hope you got that on camera.
Oh, I did.
Well, folks, I thought I was gonna be able to fit through this window to climb back in here to be all stealthy. You know, I'm stealth camping. It's not gonna happen.
Has anybody else ever heard of stealth camping? Me neither.
Alright, as you can see, we are now inside the cab of the truck. Right here, we have the screen monitor, my phone automatically Bluetooth to it. You can call people, voice command from the steering wheel, which is really nice. Something that I didn't anticipate really enjoying, you know, coming from a car that didn't have that. We have our 4-wheel, low, high, and 2-wheel right here. We got a traction control, USB, 2 USB ports, or yeah, USB. I don't know, cigarette lighters. And then we have a USB port right here. We have storage down in here, 2 cup holders that are removable. We got over here, we have locking rear, or we have, where's our locking rear? We have downhill ascent control, which I'm curious to try out at some point. The steering wheel itself is pretty basic. I mean, nothing too fancy here. It doesn't show gas mileage or anything like that, but who cares, it's a truck. Yeah, and then we got a fellow passenger, and then a very small back seat, which is okay. Fuck. How do I get this to hit this? Whole lot of love for my new Tacoma, baby. Yoda gang.